$200. It might not seem like much, but having an extra $200 can make a real difference. It can help cover an unexpected bill. It can let you buy something special. Maybe it's the start of your savings goal. Whatever the reason, earning $200 quickly is a great idea. Many people think earning extra money is hard. They think they need special skills or lots of time, but that's not always true. There are lots of simple ways to make money. You can use your existing skills or learn something new. The most important thing is to take action. In this essay, we'll explore some easy ways to make $200 fast. We'll look at online and offline options. Whether you're tech-savvy or prefer working with your hands, there's something for you. Let's get started. The internet has opened up a world of opportunities. You can earn money from anywhere with an internet connection. Here are some simple ways to make $200 online. Freelancing. Offer your skills on websites like Fiverr or Upwork. Can you write, design, or translate? These are in-demand skills. Complete a few small projects to reach your $200 goal. Online surveys. Share your opinion and get paid for it. Many websites pay you to take surveys. Each survey doesn't pay much, but if you do several a day, you can earn money quickly. Selling items online. Do you have clothes, electronics, or books you no longer use? Sell them on websites like eBay or Craigslist. This is a great way to declutter and make money at the same time. These are just a few examples. Many other online opportunities exist. Do some research and find what works best for you. Prefer working offline? No problem. There are many ways to make money in your local community. Here are a few ideas. Odd jobs. Offer your services for tasks like yard work, cleaning, or pet sitting. Many people are willing to pay for help with these chores. Advertise your services online or through local flyers. Babysitting. Do you enjoy spending time with children? Babysitting is a great way to make extra money. Ask friends, family, or neighbors if they need a babysitter. Yard sales. This is a classic way to declutter and earn cash. Gather up unwanted items and host a yard sale on a weekend. You might be surprised how much you can make. These offline methods are great for people who enjoy interacting with others. They also allow you to set your own hours and work at your own pace. Earning an extra $200 is within your reach. Whether you prefer working online or offline, many opportunities exist. The key is to choose something that interests you and take action. Don't be afraid to try different things. You might be surprised at what you're good at and enjoy. Remember, every dollar you earn brings you closer to your goal. Start exploring these options today. You can achieve your financial goals with a little effort and creativity. Your $200 journey starts now.